Welcome back to Makizy's HTML and CSS for Beginners. Today's lesson is all about Semantic HTML, a simple but powerful concept that helps organize your code like a pro. When we say semantic, we mean tags that describe the meaning of the content. Instead of writing everything inside a bunch of divs, we use tags like header, nav, main, and footer. Semantic HTML improves readability, SEO, and accessibility. It tells browsers, screen readers, and search engines what each part of your page actually means. Here are the most common semantic tags you'll use. Let's see how these work in a real HTML page. Here's a basic layout built with Semantic HTML. Notice how this is easier to read, structure, and update. Each section has a clear purpose. Now it's your turn. Try converting your homepage into a semantic version. Wrap your title in a comma, add a for your links, and finish with a period. Great work! You just learned how to build smarter, cleaner HTML using semantic tags. This is the foundation of professional web pages. In the next lesson, we'll dive into CSS layout with Flexbox. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson from Makizy.